Hi there. Tim Lee with Brewster Consulting Group here. We've had some recent questions from you all around the topic of a PMO, and today I'm really excited to come talk to you a little bit more about that. But first, what is a PMO? PMO stands for Project Management Office. A project management office, as you can probably gather, is a group of like-minded and like-skilled individuals that use a repeatable methodology to get things done. As companies transition from that startup mentality where everyone's kind of doing everything to a more organized operation, this is where developing a PMO can really shine and create value for your organization. So let's use a specific example to articulate the value a PMO can really bring. Let's say you're the CEO of a 100 employee small business. Your IT director, your HR director, and your finance director each come to you on the same day with a different request for a cool new tool that's going to improve their operational efficiency and make the company more money. Sounds pretty good, right? But then you get to thinking, how much do these tools cost? What's the return on investment? Is there one that we should pursue first because of the value that it brings sequentially? These are some of the questions that having a strong PMO can help you answer, and then once they're answered, can actually help you implement that solution. In summary, the primary goals of a good PMO are number one, to have a strong project intake process that prioritizes the needs of the business, and number two, to implement those projects on time, on budget, and according to the chartered scope of that project. In future videos, we're going to dive a little deeper into the realms of project management and give you guys some great tools and tips on how you can leverage a PMO in your organization to create the most value.